Hello, today I will be walking you through with all the features and functionality of Nitrobot. Due to the time limitations, I will only be able to touch the tip of the iceberg. So let's start with the integrations. Nitrobot can be integrated with Facebook and WhatsApp. It can also be integrated with Google Calendar where it books the appointments accordingly to your calendar. You can create a Nitrobot by going to the dashboard can have multiple data sources from files to URLs where it fetches the data from. It can be your company's URL and it can fetch all the data that is present on your website. You can assign all the restrictions and limitations in the system message for the chatbot to follow while it is answering the user queries. You can choose multiple models from GPT-3, GPT-4, and you can change the temperature according to your personal requirement, and then you can create the chatbot. I have already have created the chatbot and I'll show you what it looks like. There are multiple tabs here. You can chat with the chatbot here. You can edit the chatbot functionality, its design, and its details. Here, all the conversations the user made with the chatbot will appear. Here, all the leads the chatbot captures will appear. And here, you can embed the chatbot in multiple platforms, your website, your messenger, your WhatsApp accordingly. Now, going on to how it behaves. So first I will give it my name as leads. Here, this, and it will capture this. Now I will converse. Hello, where did Gulliver traveled to? Okay, the data I had given the chatbot was of Gulliver's travel, so it answered me according to that. Now I want to book an appointment. So it answers me asks me what is my name, my email address, and my phone number. So my name is Shahir. Now it asks me what is my reason for appointment and what is my most specific preference for the appointment. So I want another book reading session and I would prefer it to be 3 days from now at about 1 p.m. Okay, my appointment has been booked. Now, sometimes you want to talk to the live agent. We can also do that here. So I'll ask, so I want to talk to a live agent. What it does, it will initiate a WebSocket connection and then I can initiate a live chat. So a notification will go here. So I have received a live chat here and now let's talk. Hello. It's best if I show you it side by side. Okay. Uh, can you tell me the schedule for upcoming sessions? Okay. You can answer accordingly here. So these are the current functionalities that we have yet developed. there are multiple functionalities that are currently in progress where we are integrating the